Hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna replace a toilet seat because that toilet seat has been broken for a while. And I've just been waiting because I didn't feel like doing it. Eli, my trusty little helper.
I was just fighting her on the bed.
We were fighting on the bed.
And she hurt me really bad.
I'm sorry. So this is our new toilet seat that we bought from Walmart for like $5. Super easy.
$5.
Oh,
it's like my present.
It's a present.
This is my new toilet seat, guys. I'm gonna go potty.
You're going potty? So what you want to do is unscrew this, but there's a thing on the bottom right here that holds it together. Unscrew this until it's loose enough. On the side. Oh, there we go. So that's the bottom piece. And then you just take that off. Bam! Now we bring the new seat and you open both of these.
I'm doing these.
Okay. Oh my god, Eli. It's not on yet, crazy. Do mine on this side.
It's hard.
Like that so it's...
Like this?
Yeah. Just hold it like that. Do you feel it? Keep holding it up. It's supposed to go all the way up. And until it feels tight. And I'm just gonna turn it, That's good.
Close it.
Yeah, now you close that.
I'm trying to use it.
Awesome.
That was easy peasy.
Easy peasy. So that was it. It was super quick, and all you needed was a screwdriver and $5 toilet seat from Walmart. Please subscribe, guys.
What for? He's like, what? You in the toilet?
I'm not gonna lie, this video was a little hard to make. Eli is really tired, super cranky. Everything is making him cry. He didn't fit in the tiny space over here, so he was crying.